Welcome to EMOVES Eindhoven. And we are back here again with me. So we got loads of freestylers here. We got a big air jump for BMX and kick bike. We got a dancing stage. We got calisthenics. We got the BMX double half pipe, whatever it's called. Inside we got BMX, skating, and kick bikes as well. I mean, this is just the perfect gathering spot for all urban sports in the world. Alright, so we finished off the first, 7 shows of the day, and now we're moving on to a huge mural that is going through Eindhoven, and there's a shit ton of graffiti artists that are finishing off their pieces here, and this is just a start obviously, but they're finishing off some amazing pieces. We saw them on the road and it's looking really, really good. So we're just gonna check out the artists and maybe do a showcase in the middle. So I think it's like a feet. Stein, how do you say it? Feet spot?
Yeah, feet spot. Yeah.
Feet spot. So this is like a feet spot. In Swedish that sounds really, really strange. Don't say that. But in English it's a bike path. And the whole bike path is just murals upon murals with amazing artistry. So let's check it out. Yes sir. Alles klar man?
Ik ben ready.
Ik ben ready.
Ready.
Let's go.
Ja hoor. Yes, yes. Jesse, 20 jaar oud. Over een paar dagen in Letland, een paar dagen daarna in Frankrijk. Deze man reist de wereld over om zijn talent te laten zien. Nu Philip Warren Gerritsen. Geef ze een applaus mensen, geef ze een applaus.
So after a jam-packed day of performances, training, chilling, jamming, workshops and everything, we are finally here to one of the most prolific competitions at this event, and it is the Hop the Block competition. It is a free running competition where we have an obstacle of about, 60 meters. So you gotta go from point A to point B as fast as you can. Check these insane guys out. Alltså jävlar vad håret ser ut. It's day 3 in Eindhoven, day 2 at EMOVES. The actual event for us is now finished, but that doesn't mean that we can train, right? So we got Guido here, we got Hampus Jelf. We're having a little bit of a session on the last day here, and since we didn't get many clips of me and Hampus and Guido, that's what we're gonna do right now. Oh. Nice. Jävlar! So now we are in the city, in the center of Eindhoven. We're gonna find a guy named Kevin Franzen, a friend of mine from Helsingborg. He is one of the best free runners in the world. I'm gonna finish off the vlog right here. I know this vlog has been very like it hasn't been really connected because we didn't know what to do on the first day, on the second day, and the third day, and we didn't know what was gonna happen. So we just went with it, filmed whatever we thought was interesting. But to sum it all up, I think that we need more urban culture festivals like this, because we need to be able to promote urban street culture together, not just as football freestyle or as b-boying separately, but to be able to help each other grow together. Because when you have all these gatherings like we had here at EMOVES, there will be a larger audience together, and all of the sports will be exposed to the audience. So I just hope that more freestylers are willing to help other street cultures, and that other street cultures are willing and able to help promote freestyle. So hope you like this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Remember to subscribe and all that, and huge shout out to EMOVES and Freestyle Voetbal NL for getting me here, and also huge thanks to Hampus for hopefully editing this video well enough that you enjoyed it. And do let me know, as I said again, in the comment section what kind of videos you want to see in the future. See you guys next time.